Welcome to the Asset Management System. This dashboard gives a complete overview of facilities, assets, tasks, issues, and service operations, all managed in one place. Here, we can see a list of facilities such as schools, hospitals, universities, and auditoriums. Clicking on any facility filters the data across the dashboard to show details for that specific location. This card shows all assigned tasks. It highlights how many are overdue and how many are marked as high priority. Clicking here takes us directly to the task object, where we can view, update, or assign tasks. This section shows open and critical issues. You can track problems across different facilities. Clicking any of these links redirects us to the issue record for quick action or escalation. This is a quick summary of your company's assets. We can see the total number of assets, their value, and how they're grouped by category, like computers, air conditioners, and vehicles. Clicking on a category opens a filtered list in the asset object. Here, we can filter assets based on their status. We can check how many assets are active, how many were purchased this year, or which are currently inactive. Clicking on each takes us to a filtered asset list. Asset categories. This legend helps visualize asset categories using color codes. It supports easy identification when reviewing charts or reports. This card shows tasks that need approval. We can click on a task like TSK-00017 to review its details and approve or reject it from the task record page. Here we see pending service approvals. Clicking on entries like SVC-00082 opens the service record for review and action. This section displays contract data in a bar chart format. It helps us understand how many contracts are active, completed, or overdue. This system enables better asset tracking, task assignment, issue resolution, and service contract management. It's designed to support enterprise operations, streamline decision-making, and improve efficiency. This dashboard brings together real-time data from across the company, enabling faster decisions, better resource management, and higher operational efficiency. It's built to support enterprise-scale asset and facility management from a single screen.